Yeah.
Okay, Maddie. Over there.
Oh no, now she's gonna want the ball.
Yukito. Come on, Maddie. Here. Come on, Maddie. Maddie.
Look at your cousin go.
She wants the ball. She's like going sideways.
She's like, I'm not really sure which one I want. But why don't you go to Ai? Oh. She's got it. She's got it. Come here, Maddie. Come here.
Hey, look at the ball. She's so fast.
She's fast, right?
She's like, I want it, I want it, I want it. Hi.
Calvin, you learning?
Hey. She's like, hey.
Come closer.
Come here. Oh, now she wants the case.
I'm gonna eat it now. No, you can't eat it.
Hi, Maddie Monster. Hi, cutie pie.
You can play, but don't eat.
Dum.